Good morning everyone from a very rainy and cold Barcelona. This morning myself and Hannah are going on a free walking tour, another free walking tour, and this time it's around Gaudi's most famous landmarks and buildings around the city. So I've got my umbrella with me, I've got my coat. Let's try and have a really good day despite the weather.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Hi everyone, so just a quick update. We are now at Casa Batlló, which is, I would probably say, my second favourite of the casas out of Casa Batlló and Casa Mila. As you can still see, it is absolutely tipping it down with rain. It has been the whole tour. It just makes everything so much more difficult when it rains, especially with my camera and my umbrella. And we've been going on the metro as well, so we've been putting the mask on and everything. But it's all good. We're here at Casa Batlló, and then we're going to head to Casa Mila, and then our final stop on the tour is La Sagrada Familia. So yeah, I did this tour again last summer, so I'll leave a link in the description to the tour if you'd like to do it yourself. But yeah, as ever, Casa Batlló is absolutely beautiful, and we're just going to head up to Casa Mila now. Okay, so we've just finished the free walking tour. We finished at La Sagrada Familia, and now I'm just off to meet up with Kay, who is actually a One Globe 360 YouTube subscriber. So we're just going for tapas, which I'm really looking forward to. Hannah is also going into La Sagrada Familia, so that's what she's doing whilst I go for tapas with Kay. But yeah, super excited, just walking to the tapas place now, and I'll update you all when I get there. I also just wanted to add that Kay actually is now studying at Camino Barcelona Language Academy as a result of watching my YouTube videos, which is so amazing. Honestly, that just makes me so happy. She moved to Barcelona, I think maybe a couple of months ago, I'll have to double check, and she wants to start studying Spanish, and then she saw my YouTube videos and now she's at Camino. So yeah, I'm sure we'll talk a lot about that, and I'll update you all after. Cheers! So I've just finished tapas with the lovely Kay, who I mentioned earlier is a One Globe 360 subscriber. We've just chatted for the last couple of hours about life in Barcelona, life at Camino, travelling, my YouTube channel, all those sorts of things. So hi Kay, if you're watching, big shout out to you. It was so lovely to meet you. And now I'm heading back to my hotel to get ready for football this evening. I may have spoken about it before in my vlogs, but I have been playing 5-a-side football here in Barcelona whenever I'm in the city, so I booked to play this evening, and I'm going to head back now and hope it doesn't keep raining, because the weather today has been absolutely awful. So I'm hoping it doesn't rain. I'm just meeting up with Hannah now, and then we're going to head back on the metro. Okay, so this evening I played football for an hour in San Antonio, and then we went to get some sushi, which was absolutely delicious and so cheap as well. We're now back at the hotel, and I'm going to get cracking with some editing, as well as having a call with my friend Georgie, who I'm travelling to Thailand with in less than 3 weeks. We're going to book all the hotels and activities, so I'm going to end today's vlog there. I hope you've enjoyed day 2 in Barcelona. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.